Find the ratio in which rice at 7.20 kg be mixed with rice at 5.70 kg to produce a mixture worth 6.30 kg. Now, this is a very simple type of mixture and alligation question. In such questions, what we have to do is write down the first cost price mentioned in the left top corner, the second cost price mentioned in this right corner, and we write down here the cost price of the mixture. Okay. Now, when we say mixture worth 6.30, this is nothing but the cost price of the mixture. Okay. Now, after we do this, we just have to do cross subtraction and get the ratio of the quantities. So that's what we want to find out, the ratio in which the two types mix together. So let's follow this. The first cost price mentioned is 7.2. The second cost price mentioned is 5.7. And the cost price of the mixture is 6.3. So now cross subtracting 6.3 minus 5.7, that gives us 0.6. And 7.2 minus 6.3, we get the answer as 0.9. So this is the ratio of the quantities. Let's eliminate the decimals. So we get here 6:9. We can reduce it further by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer comes as 2:3. So answer is option B.